Hello, I hope everyone is well and subscribed. Sharpie tie-dye is a trend that comes and goes. Every now and then I stumble across it on Instagram as well as YouTube. It is something I've been meaning to try. It looks pretty simple and it only requires 2 things. Now that's my kind of DIY project. What can go wrong? Well, if you know me, everything can go wrong. So, my mini-me doll was in need of a new outfit. I decided to create something in line with my rainbow branding. My first experiment was a total and complete fail, but I learned from it and created a success, which you can recreate or improve upon. I will leave a link to my website in the description box and you will find there a list of equipment needed to recreate my attempt at Sharpie tie-dye. I hope this video is entertaining as well as informative. Enjoy.